Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix EA Sports College Football 26 game crashing, crashes at a startup, freezing problem, stuttering issue, lagging problem on PS5 consoles. So without wasting time, let's follow the fixes very carefully. First solution is to restart your PlayStation. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PS5 and then launch the game and check. Solution 2. Restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on user and accounts. Scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Select EA Sports College Football 27 game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, launch the game and check. Solution 3. Log out and log in. Log out from PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, other sign out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check. Also make sure that you have logged into the correct account and then launch the game and check. Solution 4. Switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and see which one works for you. Solution 5 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI type, turn off enable HDCP. Now check problem solve or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. Solution 6 is to change console language. Open your PS5 settings and navigate to system, go to language section, then select your current language. Try changing it to English or any other language and see if that helps or not. Solution 7 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database OK. Now go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 8. Delete game data and cache. Now please take a note, you must back up the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage, delete. Select college football 27 game and then select delete OK. Now restart your console and then try to launch the game and check. Solution 9 is to change DNS server. Open PlayStation settings and navigate to network, set up internet connection. Choose your internet type and select your internet connection when prompted. Then select custom and choose automatic option for the IP address. Choose don't specify for the SCP hostname. Now in the DNS settings choose manual and in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4. For the proxy server select don't use and then save it and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then you can go ahead relaunch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then simply reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So if you're using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the EA Sports College Football 27 game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and check if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve College Football 27 game crashing, crashes at startup, freezing problem, stuttering or lagging problem on PS5. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.